And I think in all parts of India, we celebrate it in various ways. Like, for example, in Bengal, it's Durga Puja. And in Gujarat, they do Dandiya, they celebrate Devi there. And here, in Mysore Happa, Bombay, they have the dolls, they celebrate with that. So I think, but for me, what it truly signifies is it's more of an inner kind of battle that some of us have, with our own demons sometimes. So it's essentially, I think, a cleanse of all those things inside, and just good over evil inside us, which is really important. And I'm so happy to be able to, be on this platform with all of you today, because you're all wonderful and the work that you all are doing is immense. So with Devi's blessings, the Maha Navratri Festival is now open.
Congratulations to uh, the entire team here. You guys have it. It is. I mean, I can just see it. What amazing work you guys have put in. It is not easy to put together such a beautiful event. Um, I think all the mantras and the chantings by which this ceremony started has really calmed me down. This is going to be so grand and so beautiful.
कौमारी कुलजा कृष्ण कृष्ण देहा कृशोदरी कृशांगी कुलशांगी च कृंकारी कमला कला करलास्य करलाची कुलकांता पराजिता.
Let's acknowledge our roots. Let's carry forward our legacy. Let's find ourselves. Let's redefine ourselves. Let this be the moment you commit to a new vision of yourself and the world, to a vision of peace, love, and bliss. Let this feeling be contagious. Join us as we invest the next 9 nights to make a shift, a paradigm shift for ourselves and the people we love. What if it was possible to have harmony in your life, to find and spread joy? Is that not a worthy goal? Is that not the most important, most urgent? Let's reclaim our power. Let's redesign our lives. Shakti is rising. Allow yourself to feel the grace. There is nothing but grace.